Hey, what is up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we have to talk about the biggest question I am getting right now. Is the Amazon Firestick still worth buying in 2026? With almost every single TV on the market already being a smart TV, why would you spend your hard-earned money on a separate little streaming stick? Guys, I am going to give you the honest truth. The answer is a massive yes, but only if you know the secret to unlocking it. Your basic smart TV is a digital cage. It completely blocks you from downloading third-party apps. But a Fire Stick? In just a few short minutes, you can completely unlock it and get access to a massive secret vault that hands you every single movie, TV show, and live sporting event for completely free. If you want to find out exactly why the Fire Stick is the ultimate device of 2026 and how to load it up with the absolute best free entertainment, just sit right there, because I'm going to show you how to do all of it right now. Before we start downloading, let me give you the perfect clues as to why you absolutely need this device today. First, your standard smart TV gets slow and laggy after just a year, and you cannot easily upgrade it. A Fire Stick gives you lightning-fast performance that you can easily swap out. Second, privacy. The Fire Stick allows us to turn off tracking and use custom setups. And finally, the biggest clue, sideloading. We can legally bypass the official Amazon store to install secret app stores that give us all of our entertainment for free. You cannot do this on a Roku or a standard smart TV. So let me show you how incredibly easy all of this really is. Let's unlock this device. First, grab your remote and make sure you are signed into your Fire Stick. We need to jump into the official Amazon App Store to find one specific tool. Just push left on your remote until you hover over that magnifying glass. Then, bring up the keypad and type the word Downloader. Look at this. I only typed the very first letter D, and it's already popped up on the list below. There is absolutely no need to type the whole thing out. Just slide down, click on the word Downloader, and it will bring us to the bright orange app we need. Let's go ahead and click on that. Now it's going to give us the opportunity to install it. Hit the center button to start the installation. When it finishes, it might try to open automatically, but hold on. We don't want to open it just yet. Hit the home button on your remote. We will come right back to it in just a minute. Because first, we have to dive into the settings of our Amazon Fire Stick to tweak just a couple of things to let the magic happen. The easiest way to find your settings is to go to the top, slide all the way to the right, and click on that settings gear. Now, slide down and select My Fire TV. We are looking for something called Developer Options. Let's go ahead and open it up. First, turn ADB debugging on by clicking it once. Next, slide down to Install Unknown Apps. Find Downloader, click it one time, and make sure it says ON. Once you've confirmed that Downloader is turned on, go ahead and hit your home button. Your device is officially unlocked. Now we need to go find that Downloader app we just grabbed. Slide over on your home screen, find Downloader, and open it. Make sure you hit Allow if it asks for permissions. When it opens, you will see a little red circle on your screen. Use your remote's directional pad to move that circle all the way up to the URL bar at the top and click it. This brings up the keypad so we can type in the exact website we need. We are going to download the Ultimate 2026 App Store. Type out exactly this, unlinked.link. Once you have that typed out perfectly, just hit go. Give it a quick second. Now push down on your remote to bring back that red circle and gently scroll down the page. We are looking for the black box that says Download Android App. Put your circle right on that box and click it. The download will start automatically. When it's finished, it's going to ask you to install. Slide over and click Install. When that wraps up, do me a favor and click the word Done. This drops us right back into Downloader, so we can delete the installation file and save some storage space. Click Delete, slide over, and click Delete again. Perfect. Let's hit the Home button. We have one more quick trip into the settings before we can open the vault. Slide back over to your settings gear. Drop down to My Fire TV, select Developer Options, and open Install Unknown Apps. This time around, you will see that Unlinked has appeared on the list. Highlight Unlinked, click it once, and make sure it is turned on. Now that both Downloader and Unlinked are ready, let's hit the Home button, because it is time to open our new app. Slide over to your apps, go all the way to the end, and let's open up the brand new Unlinked app together. Right away, it asks you to add a new library. Click the center button twice. Once, twice. It brings up the keypad so you can enter the secret store code. Guys, I have put in a massive amount of hard work building this personal app store, and I only share this exclusive vault with my subscribers. I've packed this store with the absolute best 2026 apps for free movies, live TV, and sports. All I ask in return for giving all this away for free is that you take one quick second to hit that subscribe button and tell me thank you in the comments. I am pushing hard for my subscriber goal, and I cannot do it without you. Now that you are a subscriber, type in this master code, EVERYTHINK. Click Next, read the welcome screen, and click your center button twice to get inside. Welcome to the store. Let's grab the best apps right now. For movies and TV shows, scroll down and click on Flixoid. Hit Download, then Install. This is the absolute best app right now for flawless 1080p and 4K on-demand movies without the ads. For live TV, scroll down and click on Streamfire. Hit Download and Install. This gives you instant, one-click access to 24/7 news, documentaries, and entertainment networks. For live sports, scroll down and grab SportsX, click Download and Install. This is going to hunt down all the free links for your weekend matches and PPV fights. Now, before you go crazy, opening all these brand new apps, especially the live TV and sports ones, we need to talk about the most important upgrade you can make for 2026. Guys, free apps are absolutely great, but if you try to watch a massive Sunday game or a huge pay-per-view event on a free app, your stream is going to buffer and freeze. Why? Because millions of people are overloading those free public servers at the exact same time. That is exactly why I personally use Mint IPTV for all of my live entertainment. If you don't have a username and password with Mint IPTV yet, don't worry, I'll make it super easy for you to grab one. Go on your phone or computer to their official website. I'll leave safe, direct links for you right at the top of the description and pinned in the comments below. From their website, you will quickly learn why having a private VIP server completely changes the way you watch TV. It gives you a dedicated lane that bypasses all those overloaded free servers, meaning you get absolutely zero buffering. You get over 22,000 live channels and sports packages without the headache. Once you pick out a plan, which is literally a fraction of a single cable bill, Mint IPTV will email you directly with your very own username and password to log in. I can't tell you how many people comment complaining about their free sports apps buffering. I tell them to upgrade to Mint IPTV, and 9 times out of 10, they reply back saying everything is finally flawless. Now that you have your amazing Unlinked Vault installed and your VIP Mint IPTV server ready to go, the answer is clear. The Amazon Firestick is absolutely still the undisputed king of streaming in 2026. If this video helped you out and you enjoyed the tutorial, please do me a huge favor and hit that subscribe button. If you never want to miss an update, go ahead and ring the notification bell. Hitting the thumbs up really helps the YouTube algorithm push this out, but sharing this video with a friend, coworker, or family member is the absolute best way to help them get an amazing TV setup just like you. Thank you guys so much for spending your valuable time with me today, and I look forward to seeing you all again real soon in the next video.